Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your BMW X3 trunk without battery power. First, find the mechanical key, which is usually tucked away inside your key fob. Once you have it, locate the keyhole on your trunk lid. Insert the mechanical key and give it a firm turn. This action will manually disengage the trunk latch, allowing you to open it up and access your cargo area. It's a simple, straightforward method. If the mechanical key isn't an option or doesn't work, we can try powering the system temporarily. Begin by popping open the hood of your BMW X3. Look for the positive jump start terminal, often covered by a red cap, usually on the passenger side. Then, identify a good ground point nearby, like a metal bolt on the strut tower. These points will allow us to provide temporary power. Now, let's get some power flowing. Connect the positive lead of your jumper cables to the positive jump start terminal under the hood. Then, attach the negative lead to the designated ground point. You can use a portable jump starter or connect to another vehicle's battery. This temporary power will energize the vehicle's electrical system just enough to operate the trunk release button. With temporary power supplied, you should now be able to open the trunk. Head inside the car and press the trunk release button, typically located on the driver's side door panel or dashboard. Alternatively, try pressing the trunk release button on your key fob. The trunk latch should now respond, allowing you to lift the trunk lid and retrieve your items. Remember to disconnect the jumper cables afterward.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.